Okay. Okay. Good afternoon. Welcome to this webinar where we are going to announce a very important topic for all of you. My name is Walter Bermejo. This afternoon, I am going to give you class about the primary colors, since the purpose of is for very present, to know the basic concept of primary and secondary colors. At the end of the webinar, you can ask questions to understand the topic better. Okay? Primary and secondary colors. RGB system. In the RGB system, also called additive color synthesis of the primary colors blue, green, and red. Hence to acronym RGB, Spanish, rojo, azul, y amarillo. System CNG or CMYK. In the CNG or CMYK system, the primary or basic colors are the cyan, magenta, and yellow. In some cases, black is confirmed as a support, from which it takes its last letter to complete the CMYK acronym. His maximum or basic colors in the CMYK system result in the following secondary colors. For example, yellow and magenta, red, magenta and cyan, blue, cyan and yellow, green. According to the CMYK or color pigment model, the mixture of their primary colors, cyan, yellow, and magenta, produces the color black. Okay, traditional model. The traditional model, also known as RGB, refers to the classic classification of the primary colors into red, yellow, and blue. It can be considered a predecessor of CMYK model. According to the RGB model, mixing the primary colors results in the following secondary colors: yellow and blue, green, yellow and red, orange, blue and red, purple. Okay, and secondary colors. Secondary colors in the traditional or RGB model. The traditional model RGB of Raman, red, yellow, and blue, is the oldest now coloring model. This model has yellow, blue, and red as primary colors. When two of these colors are mixed, the following secondary colors are generated: orange, obtained by mixing yellow and red; green, obtained by mixing yellow and blue; purple, obtained by mixing blue and red. Okay, the secondary colors in the RGB model. The RGB coloring model takes its name from the acronym, from the colors red, green, and blue. It's based on additive color synthesis, IA. It is used like a component to optimize color. Therefore, this model is applied when the light is used to reproduce image. For example, in television, computer, monitors, cell phones, etc. The primary colors in the RGB model are blue, green, and red. From these, the following secondary colors are obtained: magenta, obtained by mixing blue and red; cyan, obtained by mixing blue and green; yellow, obtained by mixing green and red. Okay, The secondary colors CNG or CNGK model. The CNG model gets its name from the acronym for cyan, magenta, and yellow. It is based on subtractive color synthesis. This means that we create the colors by applying pigments that absorb wavelengths and refract others. This model is used for color printing. In the CNG model, the primary colors are yellow, magenta, and cyan. When two of the colors are mixed, following secondary colors are produced. Blue, obtained by mixing cyan and magenta. Green, obtained by mixing cyan and yellow. Red, obtained by mixing yellow and magenta. Okay. Well, does anyone have any question? I will be very pleased to answer your concerns. See? Okay. Already have a question? Okay. Okay. Domenica. She says, what are the primary colors? Okay. The primary colors or primitive colors are those colors that cannot be obtained by mixing other tones or colors. For example, yellow, blue, red. Other question? Sí, okay. Fit Mateo. Okay. He says, what are the secondary colors? Okay. The secondary colors are those obtained by mixing two primary colors. They receive that name precisely because they derive from the primary colors. Okay. Other question? Okay. Okay. This side, a ver, Suhei. She says, what do the acronym CMG stand for? Okay. Our first letters of the primary colors are yellow, magenta, and cyan. Okay, other question? Oh, well, this has been all for today. It has been a pleasure to able to explain the subject to you. Since it's very important that we know what the primary and secondary colors and where they come from. Thank you very much. Thank you. Until next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.